buddy, you could meet the Fockers. When I pop it off, call me Orville Redenbacher. I be cooking up, I'm the young Betty Crocker. Gravy pot your mom again, wow, what a shocker. Hannah Montana, I got the juice, I got the Fanta, I got the juice, like a banana, I got the juice, like Tropicana. I make gas, I got gelato, I'm a splash, I'm like a bottle, got pizzazz, like it's my motto. I'm tryna pull up a Nelly Furtado and then I'ma smash. Gravy got your boo though. She's sitting in my jacuzzi.
My friend, stop wasting your time. They don't want you.
Wow.
The motherfucking world is a ghetto, full of magazines, full clips and heavy metal when the smoke settles. I'm just looking for a big yellow, in 6-inch stilettos, Dr. Dre. Hello. Percolating, keep 'em waiting while you sitting there hating. Your bitch is hyperventilating, hoping that we penetrate. You get snating, cause I never been to Satan. For hardcore administrating, gangbang affiliating. MC Renner had you wildin' off a zone and a whole half a gallon. Get the dialing, 911 emergency, and you can tell him. My son, he's hurting me, and he's a felon. On parole for robbery, ain't no copping a plea, ain't no stopping a G. I'm in the 6, you got to hop in the 3. Company monopoly, you handle shit sloppily. I drop a key properly. They call me the Don Dada, pop a collar, drop a dollar. If you hear me, you can holler, even Rottweiler. Follow the Impala, wanna talk about this concrete nigga? I'm a scholar, the incredible, heterosexual, credible, beg a hoe, let it go. Dick ain't edible, nigga ain't federal. I plan shit while you handpick motherfuckers giving up transcript. Hello. I started this gangsta shit, and it's the motherfucking thanks I get. Hello. I started this gangsta shit, and it's the motherfucking thanks I get.
Villain blows up your spot. Take your notebook, your bitch, and your clock. This motherfucker thought the coochie had a padlock. You slapped her ass, that's alarming. Cause she want my worm like Carmen. We chin check niggas, them thin check niggas. Run trains, don't go diggers. Be